Here's a 30-second tech tip for you. Anytime you have a head stay, do not be tempted to run the throttle cable in between the two halves of the head stay. That makes it impossible to rotate the carburetor on its side so you can change the main or pilot jet. Okay, now that the cable is no longer trapped in between the head stay, this affords me the ability to rotate the carburetor to the right just enough so I can just barely get to the plug on the bottom of the float bowl and get the main jet out, and all without removing the carburetor cap or any other parts of the bike. So be careful not to trap your cables when you're potentially going to need to move things around.